Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another exciting episode of You Sent Me Your Stuff. Got a huge pile of things off camera here, got a bag here, got a whole bunch of stuff over on the couch. And all I can say is you guys have been way too generous on all of this. I'm gonna have more shirts than I know what to do with for the rest of my life. I'd just like to say thank you to all of you guys who sent me something. I'm wearing the Band 3/6's shirt right now. I thought it was pretty cool. I've got one huge load of laundry already done, so I've got clean shirts for the next couple weeks, so thanks so much. Anyway, let's just break into the bag here and see what we got. This one comes airmail from Lionel Greston from York, Ontario. Wow, okay. All the way from my home country of Canada. We've got 2 t-shirts, 2 CDs, 10 stickers, 2 buttons. Yeah, the old international manifest. That's why I really didn't want to have stuff sent to me in Canada, just because I know you guys would have to do that, and a lot of you probably wouldn't bother because it's a giant pain in the ass. It's like, oh, the internet's definitely brought us all together, but borders are still a real thing, and sending mail over borders can be a giant pain in the dick. Anyway, so Lionel sent me a thing here. Hi Glenn, we love your YouTube channel. We hope you like the shirts. Our band is called Zephyr, and we are an alternative hard rock band from Toronto. Let us know what you think of the album. Our bassist makes it, so if it sounds bad, it's his fault. Sincerely, Zephyr, Lionel, Jacob, and Alex. P.S. Don't put the white and blue shirt in the dryer. Okay, don't put the white and blue shirt in the dryer. Yeah, I'm gonna remember that. Okay, Zephyr, very cool. This looks like some pretty fucking cool artwork though. Don't put it in the dryer? What the hell am I gonna do? Wow, that looks killer, guys. Holy shit, look at that. Nicely done, guys. Wow. I hope that lasts. Yeah, that feels like maybe it's an iron-on, so I hope I'm not gonna run into too many issues with it in the wash, but we'll check this out as well. They sent me a whole care package, so that's really something. That looks pretty cool as well. Thank you again. Yeah, just loving the artwork. Again, it's really easy to read the band logo, that kind of thing. And it's just something I stress is make your logos legible, because even though, you know, music is an artistic thing, it's still a business. And branding is everything. That's why so many super popular bands have really easy to read logos. Okay, they sent me a bunch of stickers. That's fucking awesome. And they sent me 2 copies of their CD, which is called Iron Wine. All right, thanks so much, guys. Maybe we'll give one of these to Alex or somebody. Great job on the packaging, guys. Like I said, I like the branding, all that stuff. Very cool. I think I'm gonna keep this little box for any extras I might get on this little adventure. Next up, we got Peter Bartles in Mount Juliet, Rhode Island? Tennessee, sorry. All right, Mount Juliet Road, okay. Anyway, let's check out what we got here. Oh, and there's a thank you note here too as well. Awesome. Hey Glenn, love your channel. Thought you could assist you in building up your t-shirt supply in Hollywood. Hope the contents are satisfactory. Fucketh thyself offeth. Anyway, let's take a look here, see what we got here. So from the band Shadow Horse. Ooh, I like the soft t-shirt. That's really nice. Not fucking bad. Again, just super easy to read. Good branding, guys. Good branding. That's what you do. You want to get the idea across to whoever you're trying to sell your music to. Oh, now that's really nice. Well done, guys. I like the color. That's great. Nice job, gentlemen. Wow. Fucking right. Simple, effective. The one color really sets off the logo. I like it. I like it a lot. Well done. Okay, another. What's in the box? This is from Kyle Sawila from Cumberland, RI. I'm gonna guess that's Rhode Island. We'll see shortly. I love these personal go fuck yourselves. This is from Jeff Lame Genie. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hey Glenn, a longtime viewer, first time writer here. We are Lame Genie, a metal video game music cover band from Providence, Rhode Island. We've been big fans of your channel for years, and as a band who self-produces all of our songs, we have implemented many of your tips and tricks into our albums. Hell, if you read this, we might even replace our bass player with a plugin. Fuck it. Enclose a shirt, a thumb drive with our entire discography, 150 plus songs, plus our best of CD. Enjoy. P.S. Congrats on the recent weight loss. I lost about 100 pounds on keto. Dude, that's amazing. Granted, I didn't have to host bands ordering pizza and Chinese food all the time, but hey, stock up on pork rinds and keep it up. Actually, yeah, I was just reading up on that today. Pork rinds are an excellent keto snack. They've actually got a lot of the right things your body needs to keep it in ketosis, so that's really fucking cool. Let's see what Lame Genie's all about. Like the name, by the way. Yeah, like, remember the game Genie? Yeah, get it now. Lame Genie. Ah. So, you know, this is the thing. I'm not a huge video game music guy, but Brandon, who's been on the show a million times, he'd probably go apeshit over this right now. I think I'm going to like this t-shirt. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That's fucking cool. Video game metal, game over, lame Genie, lame series. Do you guys have a YouTube channel? Are you guys doing videos? That's my question. And if you don't, why the fuck not? I'm going to go check this out. Like I said, that just really grabs the attention. That's fucking cool. Platinum Collection. Okay. You got Mega Man, Punch-Out, Sonic the Hedgehog, Kirby's Dream Land, Contra, Pac-Man, Castlevania. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them there. God, that's fucking great. I'm definitely... That's what I call lame Genie. Oh, that's like a big takeoff on the... Now that's what I call music craptacular collections that they used to try and sell you. Oh, there's the thumb drive, by the way. Let's not lose that. So that's fucking cool as well. Like I said, I hope you guys are doing videos, because if that's not selling, YouTube is probably definitely going to love what you guys are doing. I just love the overall branding. Very witty, very eye-catching. I definitely want to wear that fucking shirt. That is fucking sick, guys. Nice job. Pavish Patel from Ontario, Canada. Okay. Again, I got to thank everyone for not sending dildos and glitter bombs. Much appreciated. Warboy. Okay. Feeble Flash. That's cool CD. Form job. That's cool, though. Looks like a two-piece in the band. Okay, hey, whatever works. You know what I mean? Make music however you can. Oh, that's actually pretty sick. Yeah, nicely done, nicely done. Now, I'm just checking to make sure the black here is actually transparent and you guys didn't print black on a black shirt. Nope, okay. This looks pretty good. Nice comfy shirt. Well done. This is definitely gonna piss off somebody somewhere. Probably gonna have to wear this at NAMM and walk by the Reverb booth a couple of times. Oh, wow, that's a giant fucking bag. That's what she said. Oh, this is from Royal Mail from Great Britain. Wow. Mr. Z. Skane from South Wales, Great Britain. Wow. Wales. You know, my wife's a giant Torchwood fan. She really wants to go visit Cardiff. So hopefully I get to do that this year. We'll see. Dear Glenn Ferger, this package, you will receive the Democritus Domination t-shirt and your coffee coaster, AKA our Starting Again EP. That's good. We'd like to thank you for this opportunity. It allows you to send our merch. We have all been big followers of your YouTube channel, and your content has influenced us to be better performers on the stage and the studio. Your content has helped us achieve lifelong ambitions of ours, and we'd like to give something back in return. Oh, thank you, guys. Damn. Please keep up the good work, and thank you for everything from all of us at Camp Democritus from South Wales, UK. Dude, that's fucking awesome. You know what? It's my honor and pleasure to create videos for you guys, and it's just, it really makes me feel great to know that you guys are getting some use out of them. So that's fucking awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing and following and all the rest of the stuff. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. That is fucking cool. I like that. Wow. It's kind of like a takeoff on, you know, the masks that they used to wear during the plague, the medieval doctors. You know, they had the big nose and whatnot. That's pretty fucking cool, actually. Nicely done, guys. So let's check out the coaster. Kind of hard to read. The red's a little dark. But again, you know, it's like nobody's really buying CDs anymore anyway, so that's fine. I wouldn't be blowing the budget on the CD because a lot of people just don't give a shit anymore. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a home print job, that kind of thing. And again, this isn't the year 2000 or 2005 or whatever. It's 2019, and I don't even have a CD player hooked up to my computer or anything like that. So that is one thing to keep in mind. I'm gonna have to go looking for a CD player at some point and go check out all these bands. Or better yet, you know, it'd be cool if you guys, you know, we send me these letters. You know, send me a link to your Spotify or to your Spotify page or Bandcamp or whatever the fuck it is you're putting your stuff on. Just remember, okay, my personal favorite for getting my music out there is DistroKid, and I'm not saying that in any kind of sponsorship thing. I've got a very good relationship with the DistroKid guys. They've been a huge supporter of the show over the years, but it's been a little while since I've done any ads with them. It's just something I really believe in, and I'm more than happy to shout out from time to time. We're going to do a couple more here. I'm probably going to continue on in another episode because There's still a lot of stuff here. Okay, this one is from Surrey, from United Kingdom. Surrey, wasn't Harry Potter from Surrey? Actually, this makes a lot of sense that I'm opening all the British packages this week. They took a little bit longer to get here. And another letter. This is awesome, guys. I honestly, I really love the personalized letter thing. So let's see what we get here. Handwritten, no less. Oh my God. Greetings from the UK. I saw a recent YouTube video of yours and figured I'd send you one of our band shirts, sizes XL, but it comes up big. Okay, well, it's also something I could shoot for with the weight loss thing. I used to be an XL. I used to be an L many, many moons ago. Hopefully I'll get back to that at some point. Longtime follower of you in the show, and even met you in Anderton's Music, Guildford, a number of years ago, where we shared a laugh about how useless bass players are. They love my Rule Number 2 shirt. That's fucking awesome, dude. I remember that day. That was a total blast. The Anderton's crew, great bunch of dudes. Got to hang out with Rabia and Lee and the whole gang there. Just a top-notch operation they've got going on. White Coast Rebels is an 80s hair metal outfit based in jointly in the UK and Spain, in which I play lead guitar and sing background vocals. Feel free to check out our music video, Hanging with the Bad Boys, with comedian Johnny Vegas on YouTube. We are on tour in Spain and Romania in November, December, playing some big shows with some amazing bands. We'd love to come over to the US, Canada, for some shows in the future. Keep on rocking on, Alex. P.S. Fuck you, Glenn. Well, thanks very much, Alex. Okay, wow. Oh, fuck, that's cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You know, Iron Cross, and I love the back here. Heavy fucking metal. Yes, that's what it's all about. Very cool. Again, nice, solid branding. Definitely catches the attention. Very Lemmy inspired. He wore a lot of Iron Crosses and shit like that. So fucking great job, guys. Love the look of it. Okay, I'm going to wrap up this episode for this week. I've still got a whole bunch of boxes staring at me that I got to take stuff out of. So tune in next week, and if you sent me something, hopefully I'm going to put it on. We're going to get to check out your artwork and check out your t-shirts and see what your band is all about. Now, it came to my attention today that I really haven't been getting a lot of you guys to sign up to my mailing list, and I'm thinking it might be a much better strategy to get you guys notified when my videos come out. A lot of you have been pointing in the comments that YouTube's, just giving you notifications about my videos when it feels like. And a lot of you guys aren't getting notified when the videos are coming out. And just for the record, I'm usually putting videos out on either Sundays and Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Always on the Fridays. It's been kind of Sunday or Monday the last few weeks. I've kind of been alternating back and forth. Anyway, I'd really like to keep you guys updated. And if you want to get updates about when the videos are coming out and what they're going to be about, and just also offers on, deals, that kind of stuff, discounts, and just generally what's going on, hit the link in the description below and sign up for my newsletter. It is the best way to keep you guys informed with what's going on the show, and we don't have to rely on YouTube notifications like punch the subscribe button, hump the bell, and all the rest of that fucking nonsense. It used to be so easy. You used to hit subscribe and they'd tell you when the videos come out. Not so much anymore. So please, it would be really fucking awesome if you guys could sign up for my newsletter, and I will keep you guys in the loop. That way I don't have to worry about YouTube fucking things up. Anyway, until next time, keep making the best music you can by any means necessary. I'll see you next time.